What if I told you for 3 months every year, farmers turn into athletes? Welcome to coastal Karnataka during November. A sport named Kambala is played during this very season, one of Karnataka's oldest traditional sports where men and buffaloes come together to play. Kambala is primarily celebrated in the Dakshin Kannada district, including Mangalore and Udupi, between the months of November and March, which marks the start of the harvest season. But this isn't just a competition, it's a celebration that connects its people to their roots, to their farmlands and their faiths. The origins of Kambala go back over 1,000 years. Back then, it wasn't even called Kambala, it was known as Karaga, a festival dedicated to Lord Kadri Manjunatha, a form of Lord Shiva. There are two theories to this sport. One is that the farmers believe raising their buffaloes in the wet fields would please the god and give them good harvest and rains. While some also say that this sport began during the Hoysala dynasty, where kings organized these buffalo races for royal entertainment and to test the animal's strength. Over time, it became a beloved sport of the people, especially from the farming community of coastal Karnataka. So how does Kambala actually work? This festival takes place over a period of 2 days with a grand parade of farmers and their buffaloes starting things off. Then come the races, with each team having 2 buffaloes and 1 runner who sprint barefoot on the muddy tracks, which is about 120 to 160 meters long. There are 4 main categories in this sport, each testing different skills and experience levels of the buffalo. Negilu, where the farmer holds a light wooden plow that is tied to the buffalo, which is usually for the beginners. Hagga, where the buffaloes are tied to a rope and they run much faster and are much more experienced. Adda Halage, where the farmers stand on the wooden plank as the buffalo race, showing how strong and fast they are even with the weight on them. Kene Halage is the most thrilling one, where the farmers balance on a wooden block with 2 holes. As the buffalo race, the water gushes out. The faster the buffaloes, the higher the splash. The height of the water splash determines the winner at the end. Kambala is not just a sport for the people of Karnataka, it's a festival of joy, pride and unity. It brings the entire villages together, celebrating the connectivity between the humans, nature and animals. Over the years, it has grown from a simple traditional race to a massive cultural event, attracting thousands of people to witness this age-old tradition. For centuries, Kambala remained a proud part of Karnataka's rural culture, but in recent times, it also faced its share of controversies. The animal rights activists raised concerns about the well-being of the bulls involved in the race. In 2014, the Supreme Court of India issued a ban on Jallikattu, a bull taming sport in Tamil Nadu. Even though that order didn't mention Kambala, the Animal Husbandry Department misinterpreted it and extended the ban to this sport as well. Kambala then was ordered to be stopped, which sparked anger and disappointment amongst the locals. Soon, they approached the Karnataka High Court, arguing that this sport was part of their culture and heritage. On December 15, 2014, the High Court passed an order allowing Kambala to return, much joy to the thousands of people who see it as a symbol of pride and culture. Kambala today stands as a symbol of Karnataka's rural heritage, one that goes forward generation after generation. Which traditional sport do you want to know? Comment down below and follow our channel.